that makes our application the biggest. And we have products. Moreover, we have 5 products, and we are adding 2 products soon. These 5 products are not just like subsections. No, we have application which have subsections. That this is like photo editor. Here you add color. Here you add the sound. Here you add the other image. So, but here it is like totally different. When we talk about digital adverts, we are mainly talking about advertising. And when we talk about digital survey, now we have changed the field from advertising to surveying. From advertising to surveying. Now we are going to shift to another product, company profiling. That is also another big organized part of digital adverts, company profiling. And besides all those products, we also have paybills. Paybills, we have other small when I talk about digital adverts, I really feel excited.